red 5 diamonds in my bag if you want to see it. Wait a minute. Red 5 diamonds in my bag? Is that correct? Hi and welcome to English Language and Literature. Today we will be talking about descriptive words and how to order them. In English, sentences are usually structured in the SVO order, so subject, verb, object. For example, the woman ate the cake. Before the noun, we can put an adjective. So for example, the woman ate the beautiful cake. This sentence structure is quite rigid in English and can usually not be changed. And it gets a little bit more complicated when we have more than one adjective before the noun. These adjectives then have to be in specific order. Adjectives which describe opinions or attitudes, for example, beautiful, usually come first before more neutral factual ones, for example, red. To come back to our sample sentence, the woman ate the beautiful red cake. We cannot say the woman ate the red beautiful cake. The most usual order of adjectives is this. Opinion comes first, for example, amazing, unusual, lovely. Then we have size, for example, big, tall, small. Then physical quality, for example, tidy, thick, rough, and so on. Then we have shape, for example, round, triangular, square. After that, we can put an age, for example, old, youthful, young, and so on. Then color, red, brown, yellow. Origin, Norwegian, Chinese, Mexican, and so on. And then material, plastic, wood, sand, and so on. Here are some example sentences. She adopted a fluffy white cat. So we first have opinion, then the color, and then the noun. He bought a large wooden table. We have size, material, and then the noun. We saw a tiny French cafe. Here we have the size, tiny, then the origin, French, and then the noun cafe. And last sentence, the shop sells many expensive handmade French leather handbags. First we have the quantity, many, then we have the opinion, expensive and handmade. We have the origin, French, then we have the material, leather, and then the noun, handbags. Oh, okay, so quantity comes first. Yes, indeed. So to get back to the beginning of the song that I was quoting earlier, red 5 diamonds in my bag should actually be 5 red diamonds in my bag. In songs, of course, artists have creative freedom, and sometimes writing things in an ungrammatical way is better for the flow of the song. So I usually don't get mad at singers' bad grammar. However, I do hope that you understand now the order of descriptive words and will use them correctly. How about making your own super long sentence? Leave a comment with a grammatically correct long sentence filled with different adjectives. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other content.